Are you looking for the best drawing tablets? In this video we will look at some of the best drawing tablets on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Wacom Intuos Pro. The Wacom Intuos Pro is on the expensive side. The model hasn't been updated in years, and it's not the largest pen tablet on the market. However, this tablet made it to the top of our list and became the best drawing tablet without a screen solely because of a single feature, the multi-touch surface. Many tablet models and brands have included dials, touch wheels, and even touch bars to help artists, designers, and users, in general, improve their experiences and speed up their creative process. Despite that, nothing could come as close as the multi-touch function of the Wacom Intuos Pro. Being able to resize, move and control our canvas with our hands is much more intuitive than using the mouse, keyboard, or shortcut keys. Number 2. Huion Inspiroy Giano. Huion Inspiroy Giano. This model is one of the premium models of Huion's pen tablet selection. The larger size of this tablet will provide you with more comfort while drawing, especially if you plan on doing gesture drawing or if line art is an essential part of your workflow. The pen included with the tablet is the latest pen released by Huion, which promises you a lag-free drawing experience and includes felt tips for a more paper-like feeling. The connectivity and OS compatibility, Windows, Mac, Android, and Chrome OS, are also excellent. Having both wireless and wired connectivity and being able to charge the device while using it is a nice perk. Number 3. Xencelabs Pen Tablet, Medium. Xencelabs is a new brand on the market that came in strong. Their tablets have a very premium finish, are high quality, and were co-designed by several professional artists and designers to fit the expectations of drawing tablet users. The Xencelabs Medium comes with two styluses, a thin one and a regular, thick one. The thicker pen has 3 press buttons, while the thin pen only has 2. It also includes 10 replacement nibs, and USB-C adapter, and a dongle for wireless connectivity. Number 4. Huion HS 610. This drawing tablet's price is not the lowest in the market, so you might be wondering why we've placed it as the best budget drawing tablet. The answer is simple. Less expensive tablets tend to be smaller in size, and while that might be great for gaming and teaching and a portable option for more experienced users, the best drawing experience will always happen in a medium to a large drawing tablet. Getting used to the hand-eye disconnect is already hard, and working on a small surface makes it even harder. Number 5. Huion Kamvas Pro 24 inches. The Huion Kamvas Pro 24 is the best drawing tablet on this list simply because there is no superior alternative in the market regarding quality, characteristics, and price. Wacom has led the market in professional displays for years. However, the price of a Wacom Cintiq of similar characteristics is way higher without counting the additional vase mount and adjustable stand accessories needed to use this device properly. With the best resolution in the market, a great screen, fully laminated etched glass, and an amazing contrast ratio, the Huion Kamvas Pro 24 also includes a USB-C connection, additional USB port, and a 3.5mm jack for headphones.